That's my happy dance. Hey everyone, welcome to Nom Nom to Fitness. Happy 2019. What better way to start the new year than to make vegan chili cheese fries? So here I have half a red onion, half a green onion, 4 stalks of celery, and 1 onion. I'm gonna dice it up and saute it in a pot. I'm adding some salt and pepper and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. I'm now adding 2 29-ounce cans of Hunt's tomato sauce. I'm adding 1 small can of green chilies. 2 cans of red beans and a half can of small white beans. You can also use vegan ground beef or tofu if you want. And now I'm adding this McCormick mild chili packet. These are the ingredients. So now I'm covering it and I'm gonna let it sit on low heat for 20 minutes. So I'm adding the seasonings. I'm adding seasoned pepper, garlic powder, sea salt, onion powder, smoked paprika, and some oil. Okay, it's time to taste the chili cheese fries. They smell so good. I put some vegan sour cream on top. And green onions. Wow. You have to try this. You can put like vegan ground beef crumbles in it, but you don't even need it. This is my first time making this. I'm surprised at how good it is. It's funny because if you look at this, you would probably think it's the most unhealthy thing but it's not, because even the cheese sauce is made from vegetables. This entire dish is 100% plant-based. That's my happy dance. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.